Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Telegram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password on Telegram. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Telegram app on your device and tap the menu icon at the top left. Here, tap Settings and tap Privacy and Security. Under Security, tap Two-Step Verification. You must now enter your current password and tap Done. Next, tap Change Password and create a new password. Tap Continue. Also, re-enter your new password for confirmation and tap Continue. The next step is your password hint. You can either skip this step or create a hint for your password for future reference. When done, tap Continue. And that's how you change Telegram password. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.